How to restore deleted apps from iPhone home screen. To get started, keep sliding to the left until you arrive at the app library. Here, you can find the app you want to restore either by searching or by going into one of the folders, such as Recently Added. Once you've located the app, press and hold on its icon and tap on the Add to Home Screen option. The app will be instantly restored and placed on your home screen. Alternatively, you can open the App Store. The App Store allows you to discover, download, and update apps for your device. Go to the Search tab and look for the app you want to restore. If the app is already on your phone, you will see an Open button instead of a download icon, confirming it's installed. Following these steps, you can easily restore deleted apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.